Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the Stripe integration in the backend part. So first let's go to the backend, close the UI, or else let's complete the API calls first. So go to the API calls and create a new one, bookings, or else you can call it as the tickets or bookings, anything. Let's have bookings only, bookings.js, Axios manager, Axios instance. So first one will be make payment, that's all. So export const make payment is equal to token and amount you are going to get. So here try cache block, so const response is equal to Axios instance dot post slash API slash bookings slash payment, so token and amount both. So this should be await, that means this should be async. Done. So return response.data in the cache block, throw the error, return error.response.data. So this is the payment. So go to the index.js here, token write, try cache block, so dispatch show loading, response is equal to make payment, amount is equal to same selected switch.length into show.ticket price into 100. Close these out. Response.success is equal to message.success else message.error. In the cache block throw the error, and also dispatch hide loading we forgot, dispatch hide loading, and here also dispatch hide loading. Await should be in the async functions only. Perfect. Okay, make payment is not imported. Let's import this. Done. So go to the backend routes folder, routes. I'm going to write bookings route.js, const router is equal to express router. So let's import the Stripe in the backend, npm install Stripe, that's all. Done. Let's restart the nodemon. Okay, so now go to the .env and write Stripe key is equal to, so this is the secret key. Even you can put the front end key also, but front end key even if you show, that won't be a problem, but backend key you should not show that. Okay, so now in the bookings route, so I'm just writing const Stripe is equal to require Stripe off, so here you just need to pass the key, process.env Stripe key. So after making any changes in the .env, you need to restart the server. So let's restart that, then only it will work. Done. Okay, so now yes, router. Okay, we need the auth middleware also. Const auth middleware is equal to require middleware slash auth middleware. First one will be make payment. So slash make payment. Okay, done. So here we need one more library also to generate the unique ID. So that is npm uuid, I believe. Let's see, or else you can put the timestamp also, that's not an issue. Okay, so let's put the try catch block, try catch. So I'm just writing const token and amount from the request body. So we have the token, we have the amount. So with the help of these two things only, we are going to make the payment in the backend side. So here in the make payment, the first one is create a customer. So const customer is equal to await stripe.customers.create. Email is equal to token.email. So in the email, in the token object, you will be having the email. Then source is equal to token.id and close this. So you got the customer. Now we need to charge the customer. Create a charge. So const charge is equal to await charges.create. That means stripe.charges.create. Amount will be amount. Currency will be USD, of course. Customer will be this one, customer.id. Receipt email, token.email. Description, purchased the movie ticket. Close these out. So here if you put a comma, you will be having one more idempotency key. So idempotency key is avoiding the duplicate transaction. Let's copy the spelling exactly. Idempotency key, K is small. So this should be any unique ID. So my GitHub Copilot suggested me this one automatically. So math.random.toString of 36 digits into substring. So this is the unique ID. You can give anything. Okay. So now in this charge variable, you will be having the result. So once this is done, you need to check result, check if payment is successful. So if charge.status is equal to succeeded, close these out, else block. I think we need not to do this, because if anything goes wrong, automatically it will go to the catch block. So just write response.send. So success true, message payment successful. Data should be charge dot, or else here I am going to write const transaction ID is equal to charge.id. So here I am just writing transaction ID. So this one has to be sent to the front end. So we will attach this transaction ID to the booking module. That means booking document. So once you got the transaction ID, you can call the book tickets API. So this is the catch block. Done. Okay, so I think we are good. Let's go to the module.exports is equal to router. Go to the server.js, get the bookings route, const bookings route /API/bookings route. So let's cross check everything is okay. /API/make payment. So bookings route index.js. So everything is working as expected. So let's see if the payments are going successful or not. So once the payments are successful, the next lecture will be very easy. We just need to block the tickets. Okay, so let's go to the Stripe payments once. So my last payment is 19,200 here. So now I am going to have the $240 payments, or else only one ticket I am going to book. Network. So here $120. So let's see all photos. 13 by 1 by 12. What is the format? MMDD. So 12 26 1 2 3. Done. Loading. Cannot charge a customer that has no active card. What is the issue? Token we are sending. Are we given any invalid value? Card. Last for expiry year 2026. Perfect only. Why it is not coming then? Okay, let's hit one more time. Four two 1223 123. Pay. Loading. Same thing. So cannot charge a customer that has no active card. So for the first time I am seeing this error. Let me search in the Google. Stripe. So trying to make a payment using Stripe. What they are suggesting: can use payments directly with charges. You can use the newer payments intense API instead. Let me refresh the deployed version. We need to check in that also. Cannot. Strange. Try creating the charge without the card underscore token. To specify the card a second time. Go to the bookings route, make payment, customers. Okay, source is equal to token ID. We are sending it. What is the issue then? Okay guys, after half an hour of research, I understood that our issue is in the front end only. So let me show you what is the issue. So here if I click on the book now, I'm getting these values, right? So here I have added the shipping address also while investigating. So here you can see billing address, not shipping address. So if you have the billing address, you can keep it here. Click on the payment info. Now you can have all photos 1 2 23 1 2 3. So you are having this error, right? Cannot charge a customer that has no active card. So if you see our payload, it is going in a different format. So our root level is having the token, then it is having again the token and amount. So this is wrong structure. So our root level should be a normal object which should have the amount and token. That is the issue. So let's go and fix that. So I have wasted almost half an hour for this by searching all the queries. So let's go to the bookings.js. So here you can see token and amount. So here token and amount, I'm sending it in the object. So while calling also I need to send it as separate things. Book show. So this should not be an object, this should be a normal values. Done. So let's hope for the best. It has to work now. Let's close everything. So even I have tested from other module also. I made a payment $1, it got worked. So now the last payment is one rupee. Now let's see. So payment info. Now here 120 is the value. All photos. 12 23 123. Pay. Loading. Done. So here you can see I got the message payment successful. So if I refresh, I have to get a new transaction. Awesome. So here you can see I got US $120 ticket booked for movie. So working as expected. So let's do one more transaction. 3 4. So this time I have to get 240. Payment info, all photos. 1223 123, and also we need to observe the result what we are getting. Okay, where is the last one? Okay, I'm not able to see that. Now let's observe pay. So there should be an API call here now. Yeah, so here you can see pending. Come on, come on. Network is also fine. Why it is taking long time? Request aborted due to timeout being reached. Okay, let me refresh. There is some server issue. I think it's my internet issue. Bullshit. Okay, I'll connect my hotspot. Give me a minute. So no internet. Let me, yeah, this is my mobile device. Let me connect it. Done. So here once I refresh, yeah, let's clear the network and do one more API call. So this time 2 tickets, make payment, all photos, 1223 123, pay. This is the one, make payment, preview. Yeah, so here you can see in the data you are getting the transaction ID. So we need to attach this transaction ID for the ticket. That's all. So let's open the Stripe. This time we should get US 240. Perfect. US 240. So that's all guys. This is about the payments. So in the next lecture we are going to do the booking. Thank you.